Namaste, my dear loving student. My name is Moti Prasad Podil. I am from Joint School Family Rupandehi, and today, as usual, I am going to teach you Social Study of Standard 9, Unit 4, Lesson 4.1. Lesson 4.1. And before, we have already finished Unit 3, and today I am going to start Unit 4, that is the first lesson, Unit 4.1. The name of the lesson is Identification of Social Problem. We can also say, what do we mean by social problem? We have to, first of all, we have to identify the social problem which are prevailing in our society, in our country, and after that we can also find out some of the solutions, what are the solutions to solve this social problem. As you are very well known about the social problem which are prevailing in our country. If we will say about the social problem, really this social problem we the human being, we have found it. We have made it. We make the problem and we also make the solution. We are the human being. We are the creating this problem and we are also solving the problem. So first of all, before going towards the lesson, first of all, I want to clear what is the meaning of the social problem. The meaning of social problem: the immoral, illegal, and unpleasant action of the people which come into existence due to various reasons are called social problem. The problem with immoral, illegal, and unpleasant action of the people which came into existence due to various reasons in the society, they are known as social problem. And this social problem also it create dispute, conflict in the society. This is not good. This is not good for a developing country or for a developed country or for a state, for a village, for a community. For everyone, this type of social problem, it is not good. But what happened? This also the social problem, it arises due to our lack of education, lack of understanding, lack of cooperation. So these are some of the problems which bring social problem in our society. So first of all, the main social problem of our countries are given below. The main social problem of our country are given below. First of all, I will say evil practice. Do you know? Evil means what? Bad. Evil practice are there in our country. So many evil practice. For example, we can say about the witchcraft, the boxi dhakri, we are saying. After that, playing, gambling also, we can say that. Clear? Dowry system. Dowry system is also Chowpadi Pratha, Jhuma Pratha, child marriage. These are some of the evil practice which are prevailing in our society. And this evil practice, like we can say, just now I have told you about the Chowpadi Pratha, Jhuma Pratha, Devki Pratha, child marriage. These are really, if you will say, these are the burden of the society. These are making the obstacle to develop a country towards the development. If we will say, for example, if we will say we can take example of the child marriage. Child marriage system, it is not good. Still now in some of the remote area of our Tarai region, in the hilly region, in some of the community, still now it is going. But what happened when the people, when the boys and girls, they grown up, when they grown up, they lose their lifestyle, and ultimately the child marriage, it become a problem to both boys and girls. Like Jhuma Pratha, Chaupriti Pratha, dowry system, that is, you know well. If we will give so much of dowry, then we can make good marriage to our sisters. Which card also we can say, Boxy and other, which are still now people, they are going for the medical treatment in the remote area because they don't have any sort of education. They are running towards the so-called witch doctor. And in dowry also what happened? We have seen so many cases, we have heard some of the news also. Due to demand of the dowry system, the people, the boys side, from the boys side, they are killing to the women also. Because they need money, because they need some goods. They demand, you have to give me this much of amount, or you have to give me this thing. So this what happened, this become problem in the society. These are some of the evil practices which are the social problem. Social problem, it is not only created by me and you, it is all created by the people of our country, people of our community. Clear? Second one, discrimination. We can see so many discrimination. Even we can see about the discrimination between rich and poor. We can see discrimination about the higher people and lower people, higher caste people and lower caste people. We can see the discrimination about the lingual, about the linguistic problem also. And we can see the discrimination backward people also. And some people, they are backward, some people, some caste, they are living in the backward side, and some people, they are advanced. So what happened? We have seen in the society so many discrimination. There are not only in the caste, not only in the creed, not only in the lingual, even in the sex also, that is boys and girls, there is also discrimination. We are paying more wages to the male person and we are paying less amount to the female person. That is also same work they are doing. Same work they are doing, but the wages and other things we are discriminating here. So this discrimination about the color also, about the creed also, we can see in the world there is the discrimination about black and white color. So this discrimination, it makes an obstacle for the development. And there is the discrimination of even men and women. Men and women also, if you will call any development work in our society, we are dominating women. We are only calling the men, or we can say the male person. We are dominating the female member here also. So this is also a sort of discrimination. So this type of discrimination we should not do. If we will do this type of discrimination, it will create a social problem. And even still now it is creating social problem in our country. Economic equality. Do you know what do we mean by economic equality? Economic equality, that is also a discrimination between us. This is also one of the social problem which are creating by the higher class people to the lower class people. And they are also in economic equality. What happens? The rich people, they are going rich and rich every day. And poor people, they are also getting poor day by day. As a result, what will happen? As a result, the lower class people will be heavily indebted by the rich people. And fourth one, that is abuse of technology. What we can say, abuse of technology. Abuse of technology made human life comfortable. It makes really very comfortable. Now I am teaching to you. I am teaching to you. You are at home. If you are at home or in any part of this world, you can watch me. You can watch my video from the YouTube and other electronic media. It is very good if we will use the technology in a positive way. We can learn so many things. We can take so many benefits from this also. But what happened? We are using this technology in a wrong way, not in the proper way. So this technology, what happened? Day by day, you are hearing about the cyber crime. Clear? Computer crime also we can say, cyber crime. People, they are doing. So this is what happened with the internet, Facebook, Messenger, or so many things. They are using it. They are technology, they are using in a negative way. And this, with the help of this technology, they are abusing to the other people. So this is also abuse of technology. This is also one of the social problems which are prevailing in our society. So these are some of the social problems in our country, and we have to, and there are also solutions also. Whenever there will be a problem, there may be solution. There is a solution. A problem always arises with a solution. So to eradicate all these problems, first of all, we have to educate the people. We have to educate the people. We have to provide good education to the people of every nook and corner of our country. Secondly, we have to make a awareness program. We have to make awareness program in the different parts of the country about the social problem. We have to make a awareness program. We have to go door to door campaign. We have to uproot the social problem from our country. Door to door we have to go. We have to create good environment to solve this social problem. Thirdly, if social problem will arise in the society, we have to solve it through negotiation, through a dialogue, and we have to give equal justice to the people. Equal justice to the people we have to give. So if people they are deprived from the justice, they may create some social problem. So these are some of the solutions of the social problem which are prevailing in the country. There we have to also solve. We can solve if any social problem will come. Clear, my dear student? And dear student, what I want to say, you are also one of the awareness people. You are also one of the people who can aware the society about the social problem. Clear? So it is your duty also, because you are the student of the class 9, it is your duty also, you have to make them aware about the You have to make them aware about the social problem which are prevailing in our society. So dear student, I think you have understood this lesson about the identification of the social problem, and I have told you about the solution also. So it is not only my duty, not only it is your duty, it is the duty of all of us. We have to stop the social problem. We have to make our country free from such type of problem. So thank you. This much for today. Namaste.